to use waste watermelon peel. A watermelon's white rind is surprisingly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from sweet treats to savory curries. It has a neutral, cucumber-like flavor and a crisp texture that readily absorbs other flavors. Before using, always peel away the tough, dark green outer skin and the leftover pink flesh. Sweet recipes. Watermelon rind preserves or jam. Create a sweet, chunky jam by cooking cubed or grated rind with sugar, lemon juice, and spices like cinnamon or cardamom until translucent. Serve it on toast or with yogurt. Candied rind. Boil the rind in a sugar syrup with flavorings such as lemon, ginger, or vanilla. Once tender and translucent, drain the rind and let it dry before rolling it in sugar for a delicious, chewy treat. Tutti frutti. Cut the rind into small cubes and cook them in a sugar syrup. Divide the cooked rind into different bowls and add edible food coloring. Let them soak overnight before draining and drying them. Smoothies. Add cubed or shredded rind to your favorite smoothie recipe for a boost of fiber and nutrients. The rind is packed with vitamins and antioxidants like citrulline. Savory recipes. Pickles. Watermelon rind makes excellent pickles with a sweet and sour flavor and a satisfying crunch. Simply combine the rind with vinegar, sugar, water, and spices like ginger, cloves, and peppercorns, then refrigerate for a few days. Curry or stir fry. The rind's mild taste and texture, similar to cooked summer squash, make it an ideal vegetable substitute in curries and stir fries. In Indian cuisine, watermelon rind curry, tarbuj nu shaak, is a popular summer dish. Gazpacho. Blend the peeled white rind with tomatoes, garlic, and fresh herbs to create a cool, refreshing summer soup. Salads and sauce. Slice the raw white rind into matchsticks, julienne, and add it to sauce or salads for a refreshing crunch, similar to jicama. Dosa or fritters. In some South Indian recipes, the rind can be ground into a batter with rice and other ingredients to make thin, flavorful dosas or fritters. Other uses. Compost. If cooking isn't your thing, watermelon rinds are a fantastic addition to a compost pile. Fertilizer. The rind can be cut into small pieces and buried near plants to add nutrients to the soil. A chat with Ma in a lazy summer afternoon ended up in making this watermelon rind jam. We were talking about old times when I was a little kid and we used to stay in a rented small cozy house. Our neighbor Malti auntie, who was a nurse, and before settling with a job in Kolkata hospital, she visited many countries for work, and one of those countries was Iraq. Her daughter and I were buddies, and we used to play together every day. Our moms love to share foods, so we get to taste every special food that both of the families would make. This jam has its roots in Iraq. Malti auntie loved to make this in summer. Her version was more like